Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Works Coins and welcome to the channel. This video is designated token video and it's tokens number 9. So the first one that we're going to look at is the National Transport. This is the National Transport Museum. Oh, it's a National Transport token. It's a £1 token. It was issued in 2003. It has a value of £1, and on the back we have a logo of look like CT. So that's a transport token. I think they were probably used in the museums from what I remember being told about them. This is a token with a very regal head on it, if we can get it in there, a regal looking head. Looks very similar to the Queen Anne type coins. It's a more modern token than that. I think it's got a date of 1970 it looks like. On the back though it has been totally destroyed. So, although it's an interesting token from the front, it's fairly worthless in the fact that it's been destroyed on the back. We have two tokens here that are keyed tokens, and what I mean by that is they've got grooves in them, which means they'll fit only one way into a machine. These are used a lot by things like car washes. They're also used in car parks in the UK occasionally, if you buy a coin in a car park for the UK. On this one it's got dual key on this side and a single key on this side, so it could only go in possibly one way. And this one is a telephone coin from probably France. I think the silver one would probably be used in something like a car wash, and this one is if you bought some telephone coins, and the PTT's a French telephone communication network. I think it's a Paris Telecom, but don't quote me on that because I'm not 100% sure. Here we have an RD coin. I'm not sure who that is, but it shows Pegasus, a winged horse Pegasus. It has a number on. I'm not sure that it's a unique number. I have seen these tokens before, and they all have a number beginning 1-, or the ones I've seen are just 1-. Not sure what the token's used for. This, I would guess, is a Canadian token, with it having a maple leaf on it. I would presume that it was a Canadian, either from a Canadian shop or Canadian gaming token of some description, whether it be fruit machines or something like that. It may only be that it was made with the maple leaf, so it could only be used in Canada and not in other tokens, or given to another place as a token for their usage. I'm not sure about that one. I'm not sure what it represents. A lot of these tokens are going to be like that, unfortunately. I'm not sure whether this token is a value of 5 whatever, or whether it is a whether it's like 5 new pence or 5 pennies or 5 tokens, or is it an S? I'm not sure. How it would have been used and why it would have been used is unsure. Let's find out about that. I just found out a bit more information about that. This has it's 1885 to 1985, Estate Park, Niagara Falls, New York, Maple Leaf, New York State. That is what this token is from. Now, whether there were some shops that took these coins, or whether it was, you know, within the state park, it was like a shop or something like that that issued them, I don't know. It could also be if they had something like amusement arcades or that sort of thing in that area. But I digress. There we go. There's 2 of these. These were issued around about the time of 1971. They have the marking of 2.5p on this side, and then if I turn one of them over, we have 6d on the other side. I have seen these tokens before. The dual value, so they were printed just before, I would imagine just before just before decimalisation came in, because they have both values on them. So we're probably looking at about 1969, 1970 as that changeover happened. Don't forget the first 10p's in the UK came in around about, what was it, 68, the first 10p's. And this one is exactly the same bell fruit token, but it is worth the old Tanner 6p. Yeah, 6d on both sides, so it's pre-1971. We have a euro token. This is a euro token. It doesn't give a value on it, so, and it doesn't give an indication of where it would have been used. But you know, I can't give you much more information than that. If anybody does know, can you put it in the comments below? I'd love to know why that token existed. And the final token of this hunt comes from Wertmart. I would imagine that's possibly German. On the other side we have Camtasia. Now Camtasia do make tools, but I'm not sure they whether it's spelt the same way, or whether this is a German version of the Camtasia that we know as tool makers. Certainly Wertmart is definitely a German sounding name. Again, I have no idea what these tokens were made for. Well, that is the end of this particular hunt. And I thank you all for watching, and if you've enjoyed this, could you please give me the thumbs up, and if you believe I deserve it, could you please also subscribe to the channel. I am currently at around about 100 and midway with the 170s. I'm looking to try and get to 250 by Christmas 2023. Christmas 2023, New Year 2024. It's a fairly stiff target I set myself, but to get subscribers, but I want to try and get there. and your help is needed. And if you wish for me to, and you wish to and believe that I deserve your subscription, I would be delighted for you to carry on following me through my journey through coins, banknotes, militaria and the occasional collectible. I do a minimum of 4 to 5 videos a week, sometimes more, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. Also, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for watching to the end, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.